What's up, guys? Happy New Year. Welcome into 2023. We are in our first listing tour of the year. We're standing here in Legendary Realty's newest listing in Spanish Fort, Alabama, and I can't wait to show you around this beautiful house. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, got an upstairs bathroom that you just have to see to believe. Stick around, guys. Happy New Year. Let's get this tour started. In the living room, some of my favorite features are the gas log fireplace. You've got white built-in cabinets on either side. It's a great focal point where you can build your living room around. And this cathedral ceiling feels epic. You've got this nice tall painted beam. Has a really cool feel just being in the room right now. And I'm loving all the natural light coming off the custom wood front door. Inside the kitchen, some of my favorite features are I love the beautiful granite countertops. We've also got oil rub bronze fixtures, hardware faucet. Looks really nice against the white painted cabinets. And over here, you've got this long piece of granite with this natural light window again. And this would make a great coffee bar, a great serving area for game day meals, or maybe a great prep station for things getting ready to go towards the cooking area. And then at the end of the kitchen, we've got this large pantry walk-in with wood shelving on either side. Looks really, really nice. We are in the master bedroom suite. What I love about this room is you've got this nice brown colored wall, tray ceiling, recessed lighting. It feels really warm and inviting in here. And even more so than this master bedroom, I think what you're really gonna enjoy is this ensuite master bathroom. With the dual sinks and the beautiful walk-in shower, it's a nicely designed space with all the modern white colors and creams. There's also a makeup station, and then a large walk-in master closet with plenty of room. It really is a nice place to either finish or start the day. Hey guys, thanks for taking the tour with us in this beautiful Spanish Fort listing in the Cambridge subdivision. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. If you got more questions or if you want to see this house in person, you can send us a call, text, or email. My information is on the screen. And Happy New Year. We're glad to be in 2023. I hope you are too. We've got more beautiful home tours coming your way, so stay tuned and we'll see you next time.